Welcome to Auto Home Hub, your daily destination for the latest updates, honest reviews, and future-ready mobility stories. If you love vehicles that save money, protect the environment, and make daily life easier, you're in the right place. Today's video is very special because we are talking about a vehicle that can completely change urban transport in Asia. Imagine this: zero fuel cost, low maintenance, silent driving, and a trusted brand name behind it. Yes, today we are reviewing the 2025-2026 Suzuki Electric Rickshaw, and we'll also talk about its expected price, features, range, and why it can be a game changer for drivers and small business owners. Before we go deep, here's your fast 30-second hook. Fuel prices are going up every month. Petrol and CNG rickshaw owners are struggling to make profit. Charging an electric rickshaw costs less than a cup of tea per trip. Now add Suzuki reliability to that formula. Sounds interesting? Then watch till the end, because this rickshaw might be the smartest earning vehicle of the future. Now let's start with the big picture. Electric rickshaws are already popular in many Asian cities, but most of them are made by small or unknown manufacturers. Suzuki entering the electric rickshaw segment is a big deal. Suzuki is known for durable engines, low-cost ownership, and easy availability of parts. With the 2025-2026 Suzuki Electric Rickshaw, the company is aiming to offer a more reliable, safer, and longer-lasting alternative to existing e-rickshaws. From the outside, the Suzuki Electric Rickshaw looks modern yet practical. The design is clean and functional, focused on daily commercial use. You get a strong metal body, improved chassis strength, and better panel fit compared to local e-rickshaws. The front design feels more refined, with a clear Suzuki badge that builds instant trust. Headlights are expected to be LED for better night visibility, and indicators are placed higher for safety in traffic. The windshield is wide, giving the driver a clear view of the road, while the roof is solid and weather-resistant, protecting passengers from heat and rain. Side entry is wide, making it easy for passengers of all ages to get in and out. Overall, the design is not flashy, but it is exactly what a commercial vehicle should be: strong, simple, and practical. Step inside the driver area, and you'll notice the difference immediately. Suzuki focuses on ergonomics, so the seating position is more comfortable compared to typical electric rickshaws. The seat cushioning is better, which is very important for drivers who spend 8 to 10 hours a day on the road. The handlebar is positioned naturally, reducing stress on wrists and shoulders. The instrument cluster is expected to be fully digital, showing speed, battery percentage, range estimate, and basic alerts. This helps the driver plan trips better and avoid sudden battery drain. There are also small storage spaces for documents, mobile phone, and water bottle, which is a small but very useful addition. Passenger comfort is also improved. The rear bench seat is wider, with better padding. Legroom is decent for city rides, and the suspension setup is tuned to handle rough roads with less vibration. This means a smoother ride for passengers and less stress on the vehicle over time. Now let's talk about the heart of this vehicle, the electric powertrain. The 2025-2026 Suzuki Electric Rickshaw is expected to come with a reliable electric motor designed for city use. Power output is tuned for carrying passengers and light cargo without overloading the system. Acceleration is smooth, which is ideal for crowded streets and stop-and-go traffic. The battery is one of the most important parts. Suzuki is likely to offer a lithium-ion battery pack instead of old lead-acid technology. This means longer life, faster charging, lighter weight, and better range. On a full charge, the expected range can be around 100 to 120 kilometers, depending on load, driving style, and road conditions. For most drivers, this is more than enough for a full day of city operation. Charging is simple and convenient. You can charge it at home using a normal power socket. A full charge may take around 4 to 5 hours, while partial charging during breaks can easily extend daily usage. Some markets may also get an option for fast charging or battery swapping in the future. Performance-wise, this electric rickshaw is designed for city speeds. Top speed is expected to be around 25 to 30 kilometers per hour, which is legal and safe for urban areas. The instant torque from the electric motor makes it easier to climb flyovers and small slopes even with passengers on board. Safety is another area where Suzuki aims to stand out. The 2025-2026 Suzuki Electric Rickshaw is expected to come with a stronger braking system, possibly including front disc brakes. The chassis is reinforced for better stability, and the low center of gravity improves balance during turns. Proper lighting, reflectors, and a louder horn also improve road presence. Maintenance is where electric rickshaws really shine, and Suzuki makes it even better. There is no engine oil, no clutch, no gearbox, and far fewer moving parts. This means lower maintenance cost and less time spent in workshops. Suzuki's wide service network ensures easy access to trained mechanics and genuine parts, which is a huge advantage over local brands. Now let's talk about running cost, because this is what most buyers care about. Charging cost per kilometer is extremely low compared to petrol or CNG rickshaws. In most cases, the cost per kilometer can be less than 1/3 of traditional fuel vehicles. Over a month, this can mean massive savings, especially for full-time drivers. Environmentally, this rickshaw produces zero tailpipe emissions. It helps reduce air pollution and noise pollution in busy cities. Governments in many countries are supporting electric vehicles through subsidies, tax benefits, and easier registration. This makes the Suzuki Electric Rickshaw even more attractive as a future-proof investment. Now the big question everyone is waiting for, the price. The expected price of the 2025-2026 Suzuki Electric Rickshaw can vary by country, but it is likely to be positioned slightly higher than local e-rickshaws due to better quality and brand value. The estimated price range could be around affordable for commercial buyers, especially when government incentives are applied. While the initial cost may be higher, the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance easily justify the investment. For daily earners, small business owners, and fleet operators, this rickshaw offers a reliable source of income with predictable costs. It's ideal for city transport, short-distance rides, and even light delivery services. To sum it up, the 2025-2026 Suzuki Electric Rickshaw is not just another electric vehicle. It represents trust, reliability, and smart economics. It offers modern design, comfortable seating, efficient electric performance, low running cost, and the backing of a globally trusted brand. For anyone looking to move away from fuel dependency and step into the future of mobility, this rickshaw is a strong option. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends who are planning to buy a rickshaw, and subscribe to Auto Home Hub for more honest and detailed vehicle content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Suzuki Electric Rickshaw and whether you would choose electric over petrol. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.